Okay, today what we want to do is to be able to create a sales report which when we choose the final month on the report, and it dynamically brings us the preceding 11 months. To be able to do that, what we really want to do is to be able to select the month here and everything to be worked out automatically. The way that we can actually select a particular month, we would need to use data validation, but we can only do that if we have a defined list of months that we need. So I've created the parameters worksheet here, and I've given the list of months that we're going to have in the report, but that will be added to over time. So we need to use a dynamic range to be able to give the relevant months that are valid in the report. To be able to create a dynamic range, we can just use the name manager, and the label is going to be month label. And to create a dynamic range, we need to use the offset function. So we're going to start with that offset of 0, and then the other end of the range we're going to use as count the number of non-blank cells of A minus 1 for the label, and then we're going to have one column. Okay, lovely. So if we look at that now, we've selected it, and you can see that it just has the months that we need. If we actually then increase that to any other number of months that we would want, and we go into name manager again, select the dynamic range, you can see again we've got all of the months that we have. So that's looking pretty good. So if we go to the dynamic report, what we need to do here is use data validation, and we're going to select that from a list, and that's going to equal to month underscore label. And you can see we've got all the various numbers all the various months that we need. We're getting the actual integer date, so we just have to tidy that up by selecting a custom date, and we'll put month dash year. Perfect. Okay, so that's the first step to be able to choose the dates that we have in the report.